What's going on, y'all? Porch Light here. I was just sitting there, going ahead and cooking a Christmas ham, so you know what time it is. Merry Christmas, y'all. I just want to show y'all my quick water system. You know what I'm saying? So you know I got my thyme, my sage, more thyme, more sage, and then my trusty fava beans. Okay, Clarice. I'm showing my age here. If y'all don't know the movie, then I don't know what to tell you. Pro tip, they grow in the cold, y'all. These grow in the cold. Anywho, this is meant to be a actual garden bed. I can fill this up with soil and I can plant like nobody's business. And one day I may do that. But I got all these beds. Anywho, the reason I haven't really done that is because this fills up with water when it rains hard. And I have this trusty little valve here. You see that? Yeah, right there, the rear valve. What I did was I added an attachment from the old, what do you call it? Hose thing. You know, thing you spray your garden with. I can't think of it now. It's Christmas. Anywho, I put one of these 5-gallon buckets there, and when this fills up, I go ahead, flip that switch. It empties in this bucket, fits right under there, and then I got water for days. And then I fill up one of those water barrels I got over there if it ain't filled up already, y'all. So all this means is that everything works off a system. So it's important that whatever garden you got, big garden, little garden, make sure you have a system, y'all. You know what I mean? You get a system, all you gotta do is tweak the parts, and then if it ain't working right, then guess what? Fix it. Porch Light out, y'all. Merry Christmas.